Imagine checking your mobile banking app and seeing $1 million sitting there. How would you spend $1 million if given a chance? Would you prefer a brand new house, a great party, or a new car? $1 million is a huge amount, and truth be told, not everyone deserves to have it. It's common knowledge that the gap between rich and poor is widening, but no one explains why. According to research, the reason has to do with how individuals choose to spend their money. So, in this video, let's take a look at 5 things you should do to become a millionaire. Number 1. Rich people invest in their health. Unhealthy living has the same effect as making a bad investment, which is one of the worst things that can happen. For many people, the loss of their ability to be productive is compounded by the fact that they can never recoup the money they've already lost. If you value your time as highly as millionaires do, you won't want to waste even a single second of it. It's impossible to be effective if you constantly drain your energy, motivation, and drive. Fortunately, most people have the power to make lifestyle changes that will improve their health. When it comes to money and health, you may be asking what the genuine value of health is. Health is a valuable commodity for the wealthy, who place a high value on their well-being. 9 out of 10 billionaires from UBS Investment Bank believe that health is more important than riches. Even the company's highest earners were willing to devote half their wealth to ensure another decade of good health. Having many objectives is fantastic, but if you don't have excellent health, your chances of achieving them are slim, and sacrificing your health to get them will only leave you pining for the one thing money can't buy. Because of this, millionaires are always looking to improve their health. Number 2. Rich people invest in their productivity. The wealthy place a high value on productivity. They, along with everyone else, have been given the gift of time. At this point, the question that needs to be asked is what must be accomplished in that time. While investing in their minds, the wealthy also looks for ways to boost their entire output. They put their money where their mouth is when it comes to improving their product or service and expanding their business. From a personal point of view, the wealthy are constantly looking for new ways to optimize their energy use. Often, the most critical activities are tackled first thing in the morning, and the less time-consuming ones are left for later in the day when their energy levels drop. After a workout in the morning, they may produce a crucial report and answer emails or cold call clients in the afternoon. Productivity isn't just about completing as many tasks as possible. It's also about completing the appropriate ones. In addition, the wealthy spend money on increasing output by employing tools or additional workers. For example, they enjoy automating processes to lower their overall workload. There are several ways that people can save time and money by automating their finances, such as balancing their portfolios, setting aside savings, or even investing. When everything is set up correctly, none of this requires any work. Number 3. Rich people invest in knowledge. Richard Branson, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates are all trailblazers in their fields. But what else do they share? The 3 men have a well-deserved reputation as lifelong learners. As with most other wealthy individuals, these men enjoy increasing their money accounts, but their greatest desire is to increase the capacity of their minds. Investing in knowledge may be through studying a famous soldier's life narrative or a well-known corporation's history. In most cases, the more information that can be absorbed, the better. A characteristic shared by all 3 men is an intense dislike for the wastage of their time. You won't find them wasting time on social media sites like Facebook or Instagram since their time is priceless. But this isn't often how people regard their own free time. This vast group of people is typically comprised of those who do not achieve significant financial achievement during their lives. In the end, you don't have to be a member of this club forever. Whenever you pick up a book, read a magazine article, or watch an instructional video on YouTube, you're investing money into your future self-improvement. Number 4. Rich people invest in their social circle. According to a famous proverb, a person's personality tends to converge towards that of the 5 individuals with whom they spend the most time. If you're not surrounded by brilliant and ambitious people, you won't be able to learn and grow. The likelihood of financial success is little if you keep making this error. So what are the best options for you? Setting up a mastermind group is what you should be doing if you want to expand your social network. Think and Grow Rich author Napoleon Hill describes a mastermind as a group of people working together to achieve a common goal in unison. It's a circumstance in which you're looking for a group of people that share your outlook on life and career development. You all get together regularly to encourage, brainstorm, learn, and experience new things. There are now pre-existing mastermind groups that you can join if you cannot start one of your own. If you're able to locate a group that works for you, you can expect a higher return on your investment from them. Similar groups are formed among the ultra-wealthy, but on a far bigger scale. Inviting new members into their clubs creates clubs with specific rules and qualifications. In essence, they only want the best people to be around them because they are aware that the ship rises with the tide and will naturally be affected by the better individuals they have around them. As a result, they are selective about the people they allow into their inner circle. So, if you want to be wealthy, follow the rich lead and do what they have done, including being deliberate about your social circle and spending whatever it takes to meet the appropriate people. Number 5. Rich people invest in their skills and talents. Buffett, the world's most famous investor, was asked a few years ago what was the best investment a person could make. He responded that the most acceptable investment is in one's self-development. He pointed out that self-investment has 2 primary advantages that many other investments do not have. It's not taxable, and no one can take it away from you. Investing in your skills and abilities has no disadvantages, but this is not true of other investments. You may lose money by buying stocks in a downturn, keeping your cash in the bank, and renting a house that sits empty for months. Unlike any other form of investment, self-investment is entirely within your control, allowing you to take control of the outcome. You need to grasp that your abilities are a priceless resource and that investing in them can provide a 10-fold return. In addition to learning new abilities, you can now invest in your skills by enhancing the ones you already have. Acquiring new knowledge and abilities is a rewarding experience since it helps broaden your expertise. Strengthening your present skills, on the contrary, is critical, as mastering a skill increases your value to others who receive it. In the same way that strengthening your high-paying skill might mean more money in freelancing, I'm arguing that if you haven't invested in yourself yet, now is the time to start, and if you have, then you should keep investing in yourself. With the 5 things mentioned in this video, are you now ready to be a millionaire? At what age do you aspire to become one? Tell us in the comments section below, and let's inspire each other. Before you exit this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified on our latest uploads. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.